So continuing with the functions theme and using it for composite functions on the TI-84, we can see that this is example 7, just before an exercise 3D on page 76 of the Hazy textbook. And there's fx and there's gx, and it does ask us for gf of -1. So we could do it many ways. I've showed you this way earlier, but we can combine two. So g was y2, so there we go. And then we'd have to make sure you do brackets of f, which is y1 again. If you wrote down on the question what y1 stood for, oops, I've just missed a bit out there because I now need not do it for x, that would be the general case, but actually for -1, then we can see that there's the answer of 110. And equally, it does, the other one was ff of 0. And like I said, this is to just support what your understanding of doing questions. It's not necessary to replace it, because the algebraic questions will catch you out and you need to actually understand what you're doing. But it's a nice reminder and it's a nice checker as well. Another way we can actually do it is to graph it, which is quite funky too. So we can actually, again, compare our graphs of what we get for these composite ones. So if we were doing GOF, then we are doing y2 of y1, and there we would do the general case now. That's where I was getting caught up earlier. And if we graph that, then there's the original 2, but that's the GOF curve as well, which we could match to if we had an algebraic answer for that. And if we go value, calculate value, and we're doing it for -1, then we've got it for the blue line, we've got it for the quadratic, we can also find it for the composite, and we can see again it's 110. So hopefully you can have a play with that and have a go yourself at different things, and hopefully you found it useful. Thanks for watching.